Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the modded version of Dream League Soccer 2025 with free coins and gems. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I will now begin showing you guys how to download it. So go to hexmods.com, and on this site you're going to see a lot of cool modded apps, but today we're just focused on Dream League Soccer 2025. So find it, press on it, press the download button, and it will start downloading. Now, there's dark things we gotta do, guys. It's very, very crucial that you keep watching the video till the end. Before this mod actually downloads onto our device, we have to verify who we are. And this is called device verification. We need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're from the App Store. They're completely free. So as you can see, it says DLS 2025 mod installer, complete 2 free apps, finish installing. So we got 4 apps here. We just got to do 2 of them. You know, TikTok down and run for 30 seconds, WGT Golf, reach level 10, Swagbucks. You know, I don't really care what app you do, just make sure you download some of them and complete the instructions and you guys will be all set. So I'll see you guys later, but that's how to do it. So make sure you read them, like, you know, TikTok, run for 30 seconds, WGT Golf, reach level 10. I mean, it's pretty easy once you get down to it. You just got to make sure that you are, like, reading the instructions below each app and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, it's super crazy, guys. It fully works and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. As long as you do this verification, guys, you will get the DLS 2025 mod, guys. It will download, you will be on your device, you'll be rich. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. Fully works. Everything is coming into your game now. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And it's updated and everyone's coming at me now trying to ask me how to download it, so I just made this guide.